Hello everyone, welcome to the Nest.js 14 tutorial. I am Arul Pradasam, your instructor for this tutorial. So we are going to learn about Nest.js framework. So this is the official web page of the Nest.js. You can refer the dots anytime if you have any doubts, and they have clearly explained all the features about Nest.js. So let us start our journey. So I am using VS Code for this tutorial. So first see the installation process of Nest.js. npx create next app and the name of the folder. Now it will ask some commands. So we are not going to use TypeScript. So we are going to use ESLint. So no tailwind CSS, and we need source directory, and we are going to use app router, which is latest router in Nest.js. Now don't want to customize the import statement. So it will take some time to install the dependencies. Yeah, we have installed our Nest.js. So this is the folder structure of Nest.js. It has package.json, and we can see our dependencies here, and these are our dev dependencies, and this is package.auth, and this is nest.config.js file. We use this file to config some Nest.js features, and this is the readme, and this is js config. We can config our import statements here, and this is git-ignore, and this is ESLint.json, and this is the public folder. We have the svg images, and these are our node modules, and finally the source directory, and inside the source directory we have app. So inside the app we have these files: favicon and global css, layer.js, page.js, and the page.module.css. So to start our dev dependency, we need to use the command npm run dev. This will start the router in. We need to first switch over to this folder. Then we need to run our command. Now it will load our web page in the default port. Yes, we got the web page now. So what are the other commands we have means, so we can stop the server by control Z. No, we can stop the server by control C, and pressing Y it will stop the task. So what are the other commands we have means, we have npm run build to create our production module, and to after building the module we can start the production module by npm run start. So these commands we need to keep in mind. So how to change our default port? So that is npm run dev or npm run start hyphen space p space 4000. So this will start our development server in the port 4000. You can see the server is 4000. And another way to change our port is we can directly do the to package.json, and in the dev in the scripts that we need to put p 4000. So by default the 4000 will now load when we put this command. So the next one we need to see is Nest.js uses telemetry to get some diagnosis data. You can check the telemetry status by npx next telemetry status. So it is enabled. So I need to disable the telemetry status means npx next telemetry disable. So now it is disabled. To enable means npx next telemetry enable. So I again check my status. Now it is disabled. So to learn more about Nest.js telemetry, we can refer the Nest.js telemetry documentation. So by reading this documentation we can know what are the data they are collected and for what purpose they are collecting. They do not collect our pages data, they collect only basic data. We can read this in this documentation.